Hi everyone. Today I wanted to share with you some really amazing work that you can do with Firebase Studio from Google, which is like their no-code alternative to the likes of Lovable or Bolt and that kind of software, where basically here through prompting, no code you can generate your own app. And in this case, what I built in like probably less than 15 minutes, it's a small agent automation that would basically search for viral and fresh YouTube videos about any topic, analyze the comments to really surface and spot any particular demands or questions that you can use later on to provide more video tutorials to help solve those raised questions. So it's like a feedback loop. And all of this has been done directly within Firebase. You can still see my chat here. For example, at the end, I wanted to change one font to another. You can see the changes here, moving from Enter to Fig 3, can update my keys in terms of APIs, whatever the service you can use. That is something that is done directly through Firebase. And to give you quickly the example here on how it looks like here, I'm gonna search for AI agents, for example, videos about AI agents, and directly I have the list of the 10 most recent and viral pieces of content, video content. And for each of these pieces, you still have the thumbnail, who the channel or the person who published that video, and then the comment analysis in terms of the common themes that are raised in those interactions. And basically, it summarizes the most common comments, and then the questions or those comments are being surfaced. For example, are there alternative payment plan for the course? How do I get on the wait list, etc.? Which means this could be then transformed into a video ideas, for example, agentic AI for complete beginners, understanding the foundations, exploring option and alternative to the full course, how to join the AI agent bootcamp waitlist, etc. So all of this has been done in a very smooth way. There were some errors, but Gemini and Firebase managed to fix them without me really writing a single line of code. If I take another example, let's say Claude Code, if we stay in the same theme, run my research, and there you go. How I use Claude Code and my best tips from Steve from Builder.io. And in this case, gets the video, analyzes the whole set of comments under that specific video, and then from here provides a list of potential ideas you can leverage in terms of how to address those comments in a video format and provide even more value. And this is happening for every single video. I run multiple tests on this part, and it's working very smoothly. And I think this is not just for a coding, programming, AI, or tech type of videos. Let's say traveling to Japan type of videos. You have all these tips from travelers and video bloggers, etc. And then if you're traveling for the first time, basically there's a number of questions that are being raised. And then what are the video ideas that are coming through the community are being provided here as a segue. For example, a realistic guide to moving and settling in Japan, or must-have items for your trip in Japan, and so on. So this is basically how it looks like. And from there, you can publish the app here with the hosting components. as a Google Cloud billing, or you can just share the link with certain people if you want, or make it public, but that's gonna be on your own dime, and it's working smoothly with its own URL, etc. So go ahead, give it a try, and let me know what you think. Cheers, bye.